Welcome again to our 2018-19 school year. I would like to discuss with you two very important topics this morning: attendance and tardies. Attendance. Did you guys know that this year our accreditation as a school depends on your regular attendance? This means that you have to come to school each and every day for us to get a passing grade by the state. That includes absences that are excused by doctors, absences where your parents write notes, and also absences where students you might be cut in school. So it's actually for all those things. I need us to make sure that we are only absent when it's absolutely necessary. We need to make sure that we are arriving every day on time. Our classes begin at 8:35, so please make sure that you are not late. If you are riding the dash, please take a bus route that will get you here on time. If you come in after 8:35, you're going to be checking in at the main office and have discussions with administrators who will be giving you passes to get to class. If you are absent and marked absent, we are going to be having automatic robocalls that go home to your parents. We will be updating our parent contact information to make sure that we can get those robocalls right to your parents. If you haven't met Miss Wright yet, she is our truancy specialist. She is going to be reviewing your attendance each and every day. She's going to be contacting homes, texting parents, finding out where our students are if they are not here. So please make sure we make the right decisions to be here. Students, if you decide to cut class or to cut school, it will result in some disciplinary consequences at your academy. Severe truancy issues could end up in court. At the end of the day, the major message here is, students, you need to be in school each and every day so that you can learn and go on to do great things. And for tardies, we just discussed how students are expected to arrive to school on time. But during the day, you're also expected to arrive to each and every class on time. We have hall sweeps every period, every day, so don't be late. All students must have passes to be in the hallway, and there can be no passes for the first and last 10 minutes of class. So if you are caught in a hall sweep, here's what will happen. The bell will ring. If you are still in the hallway, teachers will shut the doors. As soon as the bell rings, you will have to report to the closest learning academy, not your learning academy, the closest learning academy, to get a pass. You will then report directly to class, give your teacher that pass so they let you in, and they're going to mark you late. Teachers are going to alert academies if your tardies become an issue in any class. Your academy administrator and counselors are going to be printing weekly reports to see who's late and how often it's occurring. And then they're going to be calling students down if it gets to a point where there are too many to start issuing consequences, such as detention, ISS, developing parent contracts to help you get on track. So at this point, students, it's very important that you not only get to class on time, but you're here each and every day. All right, students, at this time, that concludes our attendance expectations and tardy procedures. Teachers, at this time, please review the importance of regular attendance each and every day, what it means to our school, what it means to you as teachers, and also what it means to each and every student. And finally, please clarify if any students have any questions about hall sweeps, how they will work, and what happens if they are caught in the hall after the bell. We will be beginning these hall sweeps officially next week. Thank you.